Have you ever been into a situation where you have written an essay for your academic or in a new blog, an article for your website? Run it through an AI scanner and get it flagged 100% AI written. It is really frustrating, right? And worse, it can destroy your reputation, your credibility, and it can hit your website with Google search penalty also. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about why these free AI scanners are fundamentally broken, why they punish even the original human text. And more importantly, I'm going to share a framework with you that can help you bypass these false positives, fix your text, right, and regain your digital credibility. So let's get into it.
Right now, an overwhelming flood of synthetic text is actively crashing into the internet, threatening entire digital ecosystems. Millions of publishers and educators face a daily fear that this unchecked spam will completely ruin their platforms and destroy their digital reputations. To protect themselves, creators naturally turn to basic, free AI scanners. But these simple defense mechanisms are broken, constantly spitting out highly dangerous false positives. Trusting your livelihood to a single percentage score from a random website creates an invisible vulnerability. One flawed scan can instantly tank your credibility. To see why these tools fail, we have to zoom past the broad internet landscape and examine the microscopic structure of the text itself. Tokenization chops sentences into bite-sized pieces to map the mathematical relationships between words. This chart maps these blocks to measure perplexity, how predictable words are, and burstiness, tracking sentence length variation. Machine generation outputs smooth, uniform sequences. Human writing is mathematically messy and chaotic. But this rigid math creates a serious anomaly. Non-native English speakers naturally write with lower perplexity. Similarly, highly technical academic essays rely on standardized, repetitive phrasing. Because these genuine documents lack linguistic chaos, they trigger the exact algorithmic traps designed to catch bots, leading to unfair accusations of artificial generation. Strict statistical probability inherently misreads disciplined human writing. Relying on a single algorithmic pass to verify original work is entirely untrustworthy. Tech giants secure platforms using a multi-tiered architecture. The first layer establishes a baseline of your normal writing style. Next, a semantic checker digs into contextual meaning, finding nuances probability misses. Finally, a background scan checks metadata for invisible digital fingerprints. By stacking these tools, companies compensate for the rigid limits of tokenization. This catches the false positives that single algorithmic passes always fail to see. You can build this powerful stack yourself without spending a dime. The immediate rule is simple. Do not scan an entire article in one single pass. Instead, isolate your text into logical paragraphs and run them through multiple independent free scanners at the exact same time. If 3 out of 4 independent scanners flag the exact same paragraph, you know exactly which specific sentences require your review. Once you identify the exact problem area, apply targeted manual intervention. Break long, complex sentences into shorter, punchy ones. Swap out common vocabulary for unique, interesting synonyms. This manual human touch instantly increases your text's natural burstiness score. Combining automated cross-referencing with targeted human restructuring allows you to bypass strict mathematical algorithms safely and consistently. Google actively demotes mass-produced spammy pages. Publishing unverified synthetic content results in massive search penalties that completely wipe out website traffic and ruin businesses. Trading a few hours of manual checking time eliminates the need for expensive premium software subscriptions, yielding a massive return on investment by preventing immediate SEO death. Warning tone. But you must read the fine print. Many free platforms secretly harvest your uploaded essays and sensitive documents to train their own learning models, compromising your intellectual property. Very soon, major developers will permanently embed hidden cryptographic watermarks directly into text, making detection systems completely foolproof. Mastering content verification is now a mandatory component of modern digital financial literacy. By utilizing a layered framework, you guarantee that algorithms will never unilaterally dictate your creation.
If you want to learn more about it, We have written an article. Actually, we have on a website, aicheckerdetector.com. The article link is given in the description. Go and check it out. And if you like the video, right, if you have learned something new today, go and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thank you. Happy learning.